Grow Big TV. What's going on? Detroit Dark Red Beet Challenge. We're going to do a few in the seed starter cups. So this is the start of our Detroit Dark Red Beet planting. I'm going to sow two in these. We'll get some Detroit beets planted. And once I get my grow bags out, we'll do a few more of these. So to cover the beet seeds, I pulled a little bit of peat moss, lightly sprinkled over them. And then I took some damp clay and I crushed some clay over the top. I'll water this in so it forms a cap. That'll seal my seeds in a little bit. And then we'll put a couple crushed leaves over the top to hold in the moisture. So now we have that watered in. Kind of looks like Oreo cookie oatmeal. Hopefully these germinate and give me a winner. Thanks for watching the WickerShire project, and get your grow big on this year. See you later.